Hello, welcome back to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. In today's tutorial, we will be drawing a beautiful sketch of a girl with her hair tied back in a ribbon. This step-by-step guide is perfect for all skill levels. So grab your drawing tools and let's get started. First, let's start with the basic outline of the head and hair. Draw an oval shape for the head, tilt it slightly downward. Next, sketch the outline of the hair, starting from the top of the head and flowing down to the shoulders. Draw a line for the center part to guide the hair's flow. Now let's add volume to the hair. From the center part line, sketch the hair strands flowing outward and downward. Make sure to draw loose, natural curves to give the hair a realistic look. Focus on the journal shape and volume at this stage. Next, we will draw the ribbon tying the hair. At the point where the hair gathers, draw the ribbon knot and two flowing ribbon ends. Make the knot slightly rounded at the ends of the ribbon, gently curved to add a soft flowing effect. Now let's add more detail to the hair strands. Start from the top of the head and draw individual strands following the flow of the hair. Pay attention to the natural direction of the hair as it cascades down. Add more detail to the area around the ribbon to show the hair being gathered and tied. Next, we will refine the face and neck. Draw the visible part of the face with subtle lines to indicate the profile. Add the neck, making sure it flows naturally from the head. Keep the details light and delicate to maintain a soft look. And there you have it, a beautiful drawing of a girl with her hair tied back in a ribbon. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe for more drawing guides. Share your artwork with us on social media using the hashtag